What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Sam610 yet again. So in this video, which is probably going to be, I shouldn't say my last part of this series, but the last part of me rebuilding my channel, giving it more organization, giving it more structure, making it better for me, making it better for you. One of the things I did was to go in to clean up my channel, is organize my playlist and make it attractive to you as an audience, and making it more organized, honestly, for myself, because me just uploading and having an upload and upload and upload and upload and upload and just going into a random stream of uploads, to me was totally unacceptable. After going back and looking at it, I'm like, what the hey did I do on my channel? I have no idea what I was thinking. I have no idea why none of this was organized. So we are on my channel, and one of the things I did, of course, locking down my niche on my channel, vlogs, tech reviews, and YouTube tips. I had gone through and I had organized a majority of my videos, and you guys will notice now any of my new uploads will show up in uploads, and anything I do on YouTube tips will now be organized under YouTube tips to grow your channel. And you can see that's plain and simple. Unboxings, exactly what it is, unboxings. And you guys can see the last part, vlogs, channel vlogs. So there you have it. I was able to go through and organize my channel, and I think you guys should do the same thing. I mean, if you guys didn't go through and create an organized playlist on your channel and have, I guess you can consider these like folders, even though they're like individual playlists. If you want to see all my unboxings, you can go through, see all my unboxings. If you want to go through and see all my vlogs with myself or my kids, you can go right to the vlogs. If you want to learn about YouTube tips on my channel and how I grew my channel, and if I think I can provide value to your channel, you can see that under YouTube tips, plain and simple. So I think this is a good way to organize your channel, guys, and consider doing it the same. By the way, how does my channel look so far? How does the rebuilding of Sam610 look? Let me know. Well, this is going to be a short but sweet video. I wanted to show you guys that I had, gone through and organized my videos, and hopefully you guys like that. So if this can help provide value to your channel, please give me a thumbs up. Please hit the subscribe button, punch the notification bell, and as always, guys, later.